Here is your ultimate hygiene kit for starters or for beginners. I have some products that I'm going to share with you guys. Now, in this video, it's not about like the specific brand that I'm going to show you. It's about the type. It's not about the brand, but it's about the type. So instead of it being like a certain brand for lotion, you just want lotion, okay? So I'll tell you guys the basics that you guys should have in your kit to keep you guys clean and smelling good and for people to like you and stay around you. Again, everything is gonna be linked down below in this description box. I have shower routines on my channel, all the 9 yards. And let's get into the first thing. Oh, this is not in order too, if anyone's wondering. Okay, so of course, you wanna start off with getting toothbrushes. Now, a lot of people are thinking about like, okay, what type of toothbrush should I get? Should I get electric? Should I get manual? Honestly, just get whatever you guys like. For you to know if you like electric toothbrushes or manual toothbrushes, you're gonna have to experience both. I've experienced both multiple times, and I'll always stick to this one because I feel like I have more precision and I can control exactly what's going on in my teeth. People say that electric toothbrushes clean your teeth better. I don't know. You can buy toothbrushes anywhere, and then you guys are gonna have to decide between soft, medium, and hard. I like mainly hard toothbrushes. Sometimes I'll go to medium, but I never touch soft because I just feel like it doesn't work as effectively as the harder bristle toothbrushes and the medium toothbrushes, okay? Just depends on your teeth concerns, and if you can handle those levels. Okay, so the next thing you guys are gonna wanna have in your kit is toothpaste, and it doesn't matter what brand, what type. You just figure out, well, first of all, you just get a toothpaste because you guys are gonna wanna brush your tongue, you guys wanna brush your teeth. It's gonna help cavities, it's gonna help all these like infections and diseases in your mouth. It's gonna ultimately make your teeth white or not as yellow, and then it's gonna make your breath smell good. So you guys need toothpaste. And this one is just like Sensodyne because my teeth, I think it's because I whiten my teeth a lot. It's like the enamel is not as strong. Yeah, that's the only reason why. So once you like mastered like just getting toothpaste, like general based toothpaste, there's mint toothpaste, there's charcoal toothpaste, yeah. Then you can go in and have toothpaste to target specific things if you would like. So this one's about teeth sensitivity. There's ones that whiten your teeth. There's ones that do fights gingivitis. Like there's all this type of stuff. Now, I wouldn't consider this like a necessity, but I would actually recommend. I know when we go to the dentist and stuff, they're always like, oh, floss, floss, floss. No, literally floss, because I don't know what it is, but lately I've been seeing so many people with plaque in between their teeth because I don't know if it's a lack of brushing and the lack of flossing and the lack of dentist visits. But just have a kit. You can get this at Dollar Tree. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on them, Dollar Tree, I don't know if I got this at Dollar Tree or Walmart, but Walmart sells stuff like this too. And it's just floss. And you can get a lot for a good price. And every day, I will use this and just floss quickly. I put them on. I have to keep this out in the open because if I don't keep this out of the open in my bathroom, I won't use it. So I had to like take out some, leave them on my shelving. So every day when I see them, I just take one, use quickly, and throw them out. And I'm using them. It's slowly working, but I'm using it. And this is mint wax flosses. I love mint anything when it comes to teeth, your mouth. I love the fresh smell. Thank you later. This is like not an essential, but try it out, okay? We don't want plaque. Like that's like those yellow stuff stuck in between the teeth. Ooh. I feel like I've done something like this on my channel before, but I'll link all my hygiene videos throughout this video and at the end of the video. Next, you guys are gonna wanna have something to shower with, to bathe with. So you can either go in with a rag like this, or you can go in with a loofah. You can go in with exfoliating gloves. You can go in with exfoliating, I think people call them like a exfoliating cloth or exfoliating mesh net. Sponge. It's up to you, but you guys are going to want to use these things just so you guys can keep your body clean. Your hands cannot do all the cleaning. You have to use one of those things. I go in with a rag all the time because I feel like it takes off all the dead skin off your body. It cleans it. It makes it soft, and it just does what it's supposed to do. You can get into all the crevices and clean properly with all in the crevices and corners of your body. So you guys are going to want to do that. Okay. Yeah. Please don't use your hands. Please use this. You guys are going to want to clean between your toes, your ears, everything, and the rag is going to help. And then after you obviously wash out the rag with soap and water and hang it up to dry, you guys are going to thank me later. This is like the biggest thing you guys need. So as I said, pick between a loofah, rag, and African net sponge, I think they call it, or exfoliator gloves. You just need something that is a little bit more, that has texture more than your hands, that you're able to scrub all around from top to bottom. And every small part, every big part, you got it. Now, when you guys figure out what you're gonna use, you're gonna go in with the cleaning agent. So you guys are gonna wanna go to the store and pick up any type of cleaning agent that you feel like you like. Now, if you're in the trial and error stage and you're trying to decide between body washes or soaps, buy one of each and then you can figure out which one you like more. Now, I love body bars. So bar soaps, and I'm starting to now go back into using body washes, but it's a specific kind, but that's not the video. It has to be a specific type of body wash. So anyways, you just want to go into here to just make sure you guys are clean. You guys put this on your rags and it's gonna soap up, and you guys are gonna clean every single part of your body, underneath your arms, your legs, your everything, your face, your back, everything, and it's gonna keep you guys clean and not smelling. You guys don't want to smell. I don't think anyone wants to smell anybody, because at the end of the day, people talk, people are mean, people will bully, people make fun of you, people will laugh, people will like scorn you, like, ugh, I don't want to be around you and stuff. So you guys figure out, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Don't let anybody try and tell you guys that you guys have to spend like $30, $40, $50 on body washes. Pick up a $10 body, no, buy within your budget. If you can buy a $50 body wash, go ahead and buy it. No one really cares, to be honest. We just want to know that you're clean and you smell good. If you want to go to Dollar Tree and just pick up a $1 soap or $1 body wash, do it. You just want to know that you guys are smelling good and you guys smell good and you guys are clean. That's the main thing. Clean, clean, clean. So the next thing that you guys are going to want to have in your guys' kit is moisturizers. So I have 2 here because I'm going to explain that you guys may want to have 2 in your guys' kit, okay? So the first one here is a lotion that is to moisturize your skin for skin concerns. So always try and find any type of lotions or body butters, what you want to use, that has a skin, that can target a skin concern. So this one is to help with preventing dryness, and it's supposed to give 48-hour moisture rehydration, and it's intensive care. So it's supposed to make your skin smooth. So that's the whole point. If you feel like you have dry skin or rough skin and you need more moisture back into your skin, pick up a lotion that has a concern to it, okay? And then so while you're every day when you shower, because you know that whatever we put on our skin absorbs 60% of whatever we apply to it. So if we're putting this on daily, it's going to actually help with the skin concern. And please use lotion. I have shower routines on my channel. Please, after when you guys shower, go in with moisture, because it's going to help plump back your skin, rejuvenate your skin, make you look youthful, make your skin look like so clean and glowing and beautiful. So please don't. I'm tired of seeing people with dry feet and dry knuckles and arms, and please lotion. So that's what you guys do. First, get a lotion that targets a skin concern. They have so many lotions out there that target specific skin concerns that you guys want. So go to any store and then you're going to read them and pick out the lotion that you want, and you're going to find a lotion within your budget as well. You don't have to buy the Vaseline brand. Just buy something within your budget. So after when you guys do that, you don't have to go and put this one, but I forgot something, but it's okay, we'll talk about it. This is more important than the fragrance one, but this one you have to get. Like, I would get this over a fragrance one. So this one is a fragrance lotion and this is a concern lotion. So this is more important to this, but you can add this in for people who really want to smell like extra good. So the fragrance lotion is basically a lotion that has a very strong smell to it. So when you put it on, it will stay on your skin and it's going to smell really good. When anyone hugs you, touches you, come near you, wow, you smell so good. Yeah, that's what a fragrance lotion is. So once you put on this, you can layer it on with this. So your skin is both getting a concern dealt with and you're smelling really good. And you can go anywhere. This one is from Victoria's Secret. And sometimes you can layer this with all fragrances of the same smell, and it's a whole thing, but that's not for beginners. That's for people who are in this from time to time. Guys, if you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you guys like the video and comment and share, and so I can do more of them for you guys. You guys want to go in with a fragrance after when you guys do all that. I have one in my car, but should I show you? It's just a regular like perfume. So going with a fragrance or perfume. So after when you're done doing all that, you want to spray yourself with smells so good, with a lotion, with a body spray, a perfume, anything that you guys want. Do that, but you guys can add this into your kit. You can just pick up 1 or 2, 3, whatever you can afford. If you want to switch scents every day, it's up to you, but just have one. You can just go to Bath and Body Works, get one like this, or just go and buy a really good expensive one. I forgot the ones on my dresser that I was going to show you guys. It's okay though. You guys know what I mean. So get a perfume and you guys can use one just for the time being, so you guys can smell really good. Because after when you shower, you feel good, you feel clean, you feel nice, and it's like, okay, let me smell good too. So you guys are going to spray this on. Add this into your kit. You guys are going to thank me. So you guys want to make sure that you guys go in and you guys have deodorant. Make sure you guys pick up a deodorant, target your concern and your like. Now they have powder deodorants like this, and they have a spray ones. It's up to you. I tried the spray ones before when I was like, what, 10, 11, and I didn't like them. And I don't know if it was the brand I got, but I think it was like Lady Feet Sick or Dove or something when I was 12 or 13. And I used it and I felt like it just wasn't my style, and I didn't like the feeling, and I still smelled it after, but that's a whole different story. So I always stuck with this. I always use Dove, but right now currently I'm using Suave. This is a powder powder. Deodorant that targets wetness. If you feel like you sweat a lot underneath your armpit, this will help reduce the wetness of it. It's also anti-staining, invisible solid, 48-hour protection, and it's cruelty-free, and it smells good, and I like it. So every time you guys shower, make sure you guys put on deodorant. No. Oh, and also if you guys feel like, oh, you want to reduce like the smells underneath your arms, you guys can shave the hair underneath your arms and then put this on. Whether you're a male or a female, you can do it, and it's going to reduce the smell. It's going to reduce the sweat underneath your arm. But again, you have to find a deodorant that matches you. And it's all about trial and error, but this is essential in your kit as well. So yeah, let me know how I did. Did you guys like this video? Did you guys find it helpful? You guys comment down below and let me know. Again, I'll link all my other videos on my channel that has to do with hygiene, so you guys can watch. Follow all my socials at Annesha Adams, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.